Hey guys, how's it going? Today we got a cool horn to look at. So today we're looking at a brand new 2023 K5LA. Now I know I'm a little late to the show with this one. I've actually had this horn for a long time and I forgot about it and didn't put the video out because I forgot I had it. So here it is. This is, like I said, 2023 K5LA. It's brand new. It's got the plug in the, well, it's got a plug somewhere. I think it may have fell out. I had it in there a minute ago. Got a plug, got your original tag, and I've got the paperwork for this one. This one though, however, has brand new CDFs and it has the warning stickers on the bells. Just it says warning, snow cones must be kept open and clear of foreign material. So that's what it says on them. Just saying to keep them, don't let them get clogged, pretty much is what it's saying. So this is kind of like a transit style K5LA. But really cool. This is actually the only horn I have right now with CDF cones. The cone set's brand new as well as the horn. So anyway, really cool. Really not much more to say about it. Everybody knows what a K5LA is. Of course, it's bells 1, 2, 3A, 4A, and 5. I'll be running all bells forward for this video. That's how all your transit horns are ran anyway. So anyway, I guess that's it, guys. I appreciate it. Y'all enjoy this. This is a transit style 2023 Nathan K5LA.